Do you ever buy something functional that instantly makes your home look cheaper? These don't. But let's get into today's video. Your entryway needs a landing place for things like your purse, your keys. This is a tripping hazard. Unfortunately, most solutions for that look like a dorm room. This one's moody and fluted and reads like an actual piece of furniture, not a cheap catch-all. I think we can all agree that an empty console table looks unfinished. But what's worse than that? A console table with flowers that look so fake. And that's why I love these stems. You only need 2 or 3 to make an impact. They have a really great weathered look that looks realistic. And if you bend them to look sculptural, it looks like they're growing towards the sun. And if your console table feels dark, even after you've added a table lamp, here's a hack I want you to try. Add a battery-operated light bulb. They screw into lamps, but you can also just pop them off of the magnetic mechanism and throw them in a vase. And I've used these bulbs at least an hour a day every day since I got them, and I've only had to charge them once. It's been 6 weeks. And they have a double usage. You can use them for your pumpkins this fall. And whenever you're ready to use it as a light bulb again, just reattach the base. And if you're a DIYer like me, there's a nice hook that you can use to create a DIY chandelier. And raise your hand if you struggle with ash buildup everywhere after you burn incense. It smells so good, but it can be such a pain to clean up. That's why I love this marble incense holder. It comes in 5 different colors, but my favorite thing about it, all of the ash is always contained. It's right in this little divot here, and then you can just pour it in the trash can and keep it moving. Plus, it dispels the smoke in such a fun way, and it looks very chic. It's a functional item that's also decorative. And this never looks good. One of the best upgrades you can make is getting a reusable tissue cover. It'll elevate your skin towels, your tissues, and just make them work with your design, not something that sticks out like a sore thumb. I love this one. And if you're wondering where I'm picking up all of these awesome items, they're all from Amazon. So you can click the carousel down below to shop them. You can also find the links down in my description box, or you can scan this QR code up on the screen. And stop listening to those people telling you to stop using daylight in your bathroom. It's incredibly useful for things like flossing and putting on makeup. But what are you supposed to do when you're trying to get spa vibes at home? Not this. Instead, I want you to use a USB lamp like this. What I love about this one is it gives off this really nice honeycomb effect. You can of course adjust the brightness, but also the color temperature. Another item that kind of ruins the vibe in the bathroom is the ugly toothbrush. Obviously get a toothbrush that works for you, but you can also find ones that are on theme. I have these tortoise ones, they're super affordable, and I think you get about 10 in the set, but always find toothbrushes that work with your vibe. Also opt for trash cans that blend into the background and don't display debris. And if you don't have too much storage, I love using a toilet paper basket because it looks chic, it adds texture, but it's still a little bit inconspicuous. And everyone always says this, but please stop using the soap container. Just decant it into something else. Plus you won't have the soap touching plastic all of the time. And everyone on the internet is trying to figure out how to style their countertops. And most people are thinking, if I add more things, it will look better. But chances are you have a verticality problem. And of course, the solution to this is super functional. Number 1, something like this paper towel holder. Obviously it adds height and it's incredibly functional. Plus it looks just like the Thaddeus collection from Restoration Hardware. Or use something like this to display artwork, a cookbook, or a tablet for your recipes. And I know it can be so difficult to find actually heat-proof oven mitts, but these ones are really fantastic and they work with my brown and cream vibe. Your kitchen everyday items don't have to be ugly, and this is proof. And just because you're in a rental where you can't paint doesn't mean your walls need to be boring. And one of the ways you can do that is with peel and stick sconces. What I love about these ones is that they can do so many different types of light. Plus you can adjust the brightness and the color, and it comes with a timer. And it looks this good during the day, so just imagine how great it looks at nighttime. Another lighting option I love is great for covering up outlets you're not using. This is an LED light bar. You can rotate it. It looks like a picture light, and it's great at filling those empty spaces. And if you're struggling to style your shelves, I guarantee it's due to the fact you are using items that lack texture. Texture really adds dimension to decor. There are no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So that completely smooth white vase, it isn't giving much at all. Instead, I want you to go with something like this. This is a glass vase. I have it in gray, but it comes in so many different colors. It adds so much movement. So you're not only having a nice tactile experience with the vase, but also a very vibrant visual one as well. So you can still stick to neutrals without looking boring. And speaking of texture, fall and winter right around the corner, and faux fur blankets are the perfect way to add some movement. Plus, this one is heated, so you get a heated blanket without having to sacrifice style. And now we're going back to the kitchen because the kitchen is where I see the most number of issues. Get a trivet like this. This is marble. It's heat proof and it blends into my countertop basically, which I love. And it comes in so many different colors. You can also get a travertine spoon rest or a different type of spoon rest instead of staining your countertops, and cutting boards. They don't have to be ugly. I love this set of 3 and this one that looks kind of like a person. So funky and cool. If you want to shop any of the Amazon products I shared in today's video, including more that are going to help your home look expensive while staying practical, click the links down in my description box, click through this carousel here, or scan the QR code up on the screen. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.